Copy. Okay, I'm gonna post it as a course update. All right, let me know if you see it and if it works. And then I'm going to send you to your breakout rooms. Will there be 2 separate streams? No, I'm gonna put both on the same stream. That's a good question. So I'm gonna put both of them on the same stream, and then you'll just record whichever one your group is doing. Yes, you're only gonna keep track. So you're only gonna keep track of your group's topic, but you're gonna put for each side, like A and B. So you're just counting how many are on side A and how many are on side B. So someone asked, like, how do you record data? That's just a recap, okay? All right, do you guys see the link? Let me know if it works, and you can see my elbow right now, I think. It says video unavailable. What? Are you sure? Can someone else confirm? Can you see it? Here. You can see it? Okay. Daisy, maybe just try refreshing it. It says unavailable? Eric and Daisy, are you logged into Me Too what? You can see it or you can't see it? Yeah, it's echoing because I'm on both right now. Maybe it's because you're logged into your school account. So I think that might have happened to my AP class. They have to log out of your Schoology. So if you're using a Chromebook, it might not let you. Where is it? So the link, I posted it on Schoology as a course update. Okay, so can you all try again? Maybe you might have to do a private. I don't know if you can do it on Chromebooks, a private window. I'm not sure. I have 5 people watching right now. So let me know if you are unable to. All right. Thank you, Anna. Thank you for putting it in the chat. So yeah, log out of you might have to log out of your LAUSD. It's going to take a while to what? To log off or? Enzo. Okay, let me finish adding people to the breakout rooms. Log into personal. Okay, yeah. So everyone, if you could try to, yeah, sorry about that. I don't know why all of YouTube is blocked from the LAUSD account sometimes, and then sometimes it's not. So I'm glad that we figured that out though before I sent you to the breakout rooms. Jasmine, Richard, and Eric. You can put on the TV. Okay. All right. I'm going to send you to the breakout rooms now. All right. So once you're in the breakout rooms, make sure timekeeper, you have your clock set up, and then you'll watch me through the stream. You can respond back through the YouTube stream, or like you can let Cynthia and Jasmine know that you need help. All right. And they will bounce in and out. Okay. All right. Any last questions before I send you to the breakout rooms? Any last questions? Yes, it is only one paragraph. Big J, since you are on this, you're with the 9th grade stream now. Okay, I got 13 people watching, but I want to make sure everyone can watch the stream because that's how you collect data. So make sure you might have to log off of your own of the MyMail. No, sorry, I'm talking in the YouTube stream. Don't worry about Anna. Okay, I'm gonna send you to the breakout rooms. Yeah, just not your LAUSD account, Richard, and it should be okay. Even if you just log off of your LAUSD account, I don't even think you need to log into a new account unless you want to respond in the chat. Okay, we got to get started. So I'm going to open up the rooms. All right, so go to the breakout rooms. All right, and then on here, you all can still see and hear me here. Try to, it's crooked. All right, everything is backwards for me. I don't know if it is for you all. 32 subs, yeah. All right, so okay, so in the stream, you got to help me out. Where my pen is right here, is this on the left side or right side of your screen? Because mine is like mirrored backwards for some reason. It's the left? Okay. All right, so if I write this, because on my screen it's like backwards, but so right here, this is the right side, I'm guessing. So let me see. This is the left? Where my pen is the left? Okay. All right, if I write B, is that backwards for you? Is it like backwards, this B? It's fine? Okay, all right, so A and B, you can read that? Oh my gosh, there's so many yeses and nos, I don't even know what you're responding to. Okay.
It's because YouTube is a little laggy.
Yeah, so I know, but it's like both of them at the same time. I know, it's so weird. It's fine. Yeah, hype in the chat. Thank you. I'm gonna assign you to breakout rooms, Cynthia and Jasmine, and then once you're assigned to one, I think you can bounce around. Okay, so let me just assign. What I used to do with my student teacher, with Mr. Martinez, is like one person would do evens and one would do odds. So I think since one of you is assigned to an odd and then the other one's even, you could just bounce around like that.
Okay.
And then Kevin. Yeah, let me figure out why you're not in the breakout. So Kevin should be in group 1. And then Melody, you're in group 3. Eric G, you're in group 7. Okay, you should be able to go to all your rooms now. Okay, thank you, Zoe, for summing that up for me. All right, I'm going to dump. So the top row, I will do the rock star and the water. All right, so A. So what I did is I put paper towels here so that like we're not drowning them. So the paper towel will just soak up the liquid. Oh shoot, that's too much. I might have to soak up some of that. I think that's too much. So there's the rock star. I'm gonna soak some of it up so it's not like I don't want to drown drown them. All right, so the groups that are doing the energy drink, this side, whatever the yellow is, that's gonna be the energy drink. And then the other side will be the water. So I'm just gonna spray the paper towel. So one control variable that you see for both of them is both of them are gonna be like liquid, so they're both moist. And then we'll just figure out which side they prefer to be on. For the second group, I will put, let me see. I'm gonna put Tapatio. All right, so group one, on your data table, you should put this side on the data table where the red text is gonna be water on side A, and then Rockstar for side B. So type that into your document. And then for this one, I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle. So just like how we're saying, we don't wanna like, in case, they don't like it, they can avoid it. So they're not like drowned by it. So I'm just gonna put a little Tapatio. It's gonna be on A. Tapatio on side A, and then this side will be the habanero pepper, side B. Okay, I think that's about even, not perfect, but Pillbug torture chamber. All right, so now I'm gonna set up, I'm just gonna dump them in here. So 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay. What if they don't move? Good question. So if they don't move, still just write like whatever it was. So it's okay if they like you have a bunch of rows that are like 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Like that's fine. I had to go into the park last night at like 10 p.m. and I was digging around trying to find roly-polies. People were like walking by, like, "What are you doing?" Because I was like digging with my like iPhone light and a shovel. That looked kind of suspicious. Okay. All right, so one thing is sometimes they crawl under the paper towel, so I'm gonna try my best to like make sure they don't. But this one with the hot sauce, it does seem like, oh shoot, I like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna put, okay, so timekeepers, I'm gonna start, so 5 and 5 right now. So timekeepers, are you ready? Can you tell me in the chat, like if you're ready, say like group 1 ready, group 2 ready, something like that. And I'm gonna keep trying to like move them around so that they don't. So I gotta figure out how to get it so that they don't crawl under the paper towel. Oh my gosh. It's like wrangling like kids. I think for the hot sauce, instead of the paper towel, I might just put it directly in the middle because they keep crawling underneath. Oh shoot, one's escaping. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Okay, we were really in school though. You guys would have to be doing this, and I wouldn't have to manage 2 at the same time. It's like, oh my gosh. They're like so much more wild than they were for AP. Okay, all right. I'm not gonna be able to have it perfect. So the groups, All right, groups, just start your time whenever. I'm gonna try to get 5 and 5 on each side, but they're pretty fast. Okay, so start your time and then just start counting. Okay, so I got 5 and 5, and so timekeepers every minute you're going to call time for your group, and then they will you're gonna record. Okay, I'm gonna try to just make sure they don't crawl out. So if they get to the edge, I'll just kind of like flick them back in, but those of you start calling time, and then at 1 minute you can count. Okay, thank you, group 7. I saw that you're ready, but everyone else, you could just go ahead and start because we need to do this for 15 minutes. Yeah, this one's huge. He's still moving. They're not dead. They're moving. This one's on its back though, but no F's in the chat. They're fine. Okay, so remember, timekeepers, every minute though, I'm gonna look at your documents. You should be updating your documents. I should see on my computer that you are taking data. You're taking data. If you can't see, because sometimes they're like on top of each other, like this one, there's 2 right here. So just try to make sure, remember, every row has to be 10. So if you don't count 10, there might be some that are like connected together. Every minute, yes, every minute. Ooh. Yeah, it doesn't look like they all seem to rush to this side real quick from the rock star. see this one's upside down, it's stuck in the hot sauce. These two are like fighting or something. I don't even know. There's a bunch of them. I wonder, okay, so one thing that maybe you can think about is like I noticed on the bottom one, the hot sauce one, a lot of them are like upside down, whereas like the top one, these are just they're fine. They're just like they haven't moved, but this one they're like really, you know, a lot of them are upside down and okay, I'm gonna help this one out just because I don't want it to die. I'm gonna move it a little. Okay. I don't I don't want it to die. So I'm gonna move it out of the hot sauce so it's not. Reporters from each group. Can you tell me in the chat? So put like group one and then say what minute you're on. Group two, what minute you're on. Group three, what minute you're on. So whoever's the reporter, can you do that? If you are not logged in and you can't respond, can you just tell someone else in your group to respond in the chat, like group one, and then tell me what minute you're on? Oh, shoot, this one's about to come out. Oh, I tossed into the hot sauce. It does not like the hot sauce. It ran from it. Wait. Oh, shoot. Okay, group 7, 6 minutes. Thank you. Group 1, 6 minutes. Okay. Group 3, 6. Oh, wait, group. All right. So every other group, the reporters for the other groups, tell me in the chat what minute you're on. Okay, group 2, you're on 6 minutes. Thank you, Alan. Seven minutes. Okay. So we're about almost halfway done. I wonder if this one's gonna crawl over. Yeah, I wonder why this one won't move. You conclude that all pill bugs have preference of whether they like sweet or not. Sauce is making them act up. Yeah, that is true. So right now, what you're doing with recording numbers, you're doing quantitative data, right? Because you're counting. But one thing that you can also think about is qualitative data would be making observations about the activity between the pill bugs. So a qualitative observation could be on the hot sauce experiment. A lot of them are upside down, like this, like they're upside down. Now they kind of stopped moving, but on this one, they're all pretty much have stayed upright. They haven't moved around a lot. So those would be qualitative observations. And I know there's not a spot for that on your document, but you can always add that like as a comment. You all know how to add comments onto Google Docs. They're still moving though. They're not dead. They're still moving. I can see the legs moving. I know you can't really see it on yours. Well, I mean, you can kind of see it, but the legs are still moving. Don't worry, roly polies, we're almost done. We're almost done. Stay, hang in there. So if you take AP Bio with me in 2 3 years, you can choose a different topic now that you've seen how they react to hot sauce. Oh, Bug Lives Matter. Say their names. Don't worry, I will let you go soon. I said mannequin challenge. I'll give them a really good meal once we're done. I'll give them a nice rotted piece of fruit, just what they like. Check up on the fat one. It's still alive. They'll be fine. So my AP class, the baking soda was that one looked bad. Like if you wanted to see, you can watch. The stream is posted also, I think, on this on my page. But that one, they were literally covered in like powder, like almost like just completely. That one I was a little worried, but they were fine. So I did poke it. It's fine. It was moving. These ones I'm actually a little bit more wondering about because they're just flipped over. When you are done with 15 minutes, tell me in the chat group your group number and then say done. Okay? Reporters, do that for me. See, he's fine. He's humongous. It's actually like kind of gross how big it is. You know, one thing with I don't know if you've ever seen roly polies, they shed and they basically their shell like splits in half right down the middle and it's kind of like cracking an egg. But this one, this guy, the big one, was shedding yesterday. It was pretty gross. Like half of it is like lighter gray, and then like where the skin is. So maybe one reason why it wasn't as active was because it has a new skin, new shell. I mean. All right. So once again, once you're done with 50, at 15, time 15, tell me in the chat, reporters, say group whatever, and then say done. Too bad we're not in school. Otherwise, I'd give someone this Rockstar. I don't drink this. It's like completely full. Spent $3 on this. Rockstar bad. I'm telling you, I couldn't find it anywhere. All right, tell me. I think you should be done. Groups. Tell me your group number and tell me if you're done. Bell's gonna ring in 2 minutes. Group 2 done. Okay, thank you. Group 2's done. Other groups? You need 3 more minutes? Okay. Group 1's done. What about the other groups? Okay, 2 more minutes for Zoe's group. I think you're group 3 or 4. All right, your other groups. Group 5. Group 7's done, okay. All right, so the groups that still need to do like 1 or 2 more minutes, if you could just stay on and watch. The rest of you, your assignment for Wednesday is to just finish the CER graphs. Some of you have finished all of it, okay? So awesome. The ones I have not done, numbers 4, 5, and 6, I just need you to do those and then and submit. Okay, so submit on Schoology. Those of you who already finished all of them, I saw that you did. I didn't unsubmit yours. And then if you didn't finish it, I unsubmitted them on Friday. Okay. So let me, like, if you have any questions about this, but for right now, what I need you to do for your this lab is just get up to 15 minutes and have your data table completely done. All right. So completely done, up to 15 minutes. And if your group is done, you're go off to 6th period. Okay, go to 6th period. I will see you on Wednesday. Just make sure you do the CER graph. All right. Thanks for the likes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on Wednesday. All right. Bye. Okay. The groups that are not done though, just keep, for 1 or 2 more minutes, and then I need to save these. Save them. These do not look happy. I'm gonna clean them off a little bit. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thanks, Anna. Bye. See you on Wednesday. All right. Bye, Mia. Bye, Brisney. Bye, Relly. Bye, Melody. How were they in the rooms? Were they actually talking or?
There was just one breakout room where the timekeeper said time. That was it.
Oh man, I can imagine. That's not so good. Are you guys done? Did you guys get all your data? I gotta let my next class in. Are you all done? I need to save these. Save them. Okay.
I was in group 1 and
Hey, so group 1, are you guys almost done? Or you're coming back in? No. Group 1, how many more minutes do you need? Oh my gosh, look, it's like totally carrying it. All right. Cynthia, were they doing hot sauce or the energy drink?
they were doing hot sauce.
Okay, I'm gonna put the energy drink ones back then. Don't worry, we can leave the health class a little bit. I'm just gonna try to clean up this. Hey, did you guys finish? Jasmine, I know Jasmine, you might not have gotten your data, but Kevin, Richard, you guys finish?